Good morning, friends, and welcome to our last circle time. I hope you have enjoyed being in our preschool classroom as much as Mrs. Hill, and I have enjoyed having you there. You are officially kindergartners. Woohoo! Let's go ahead and do our last circle time together, and we'll have our Zoom on Thursday. So let's stand, say the Pledge of Allegiance. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's say our school pledge. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right. Taking a look at today's date. Today is Tuesday, the 16th day of June. Like I said, today is our last day of circle and story time, but we'll still see you for our last time, our last Zoom on Thursday. We're going to play a game. It's called Heads or Tails. So let's sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Sing it with me. Days of the Week. 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 Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the Week. 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 Your turn.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday.
Days of the Week. 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 And today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020. What is going to be, we have a star because this is our last circle time, but what is our pattern? What's going to be on our pattern? Sun, castle, ice cream. Remember, it's ABC. Sun, castle, ice cream. Sun, castle, ice cream. Sun, castle, ice cream. Sun, castle, ice cream. That's right, a sun goes right down here for our last day of circle time. All right, we predicted sunny weather for today, and it's still a little cloudy out here. So we're going to go ahead and put clouds up there. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Ooh, I heard someone say sunny. So let's go ahead and put that in our prediction square. Moving on. Let's say our alphabet together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. Let's count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're counting backwards from 10. Let me hear you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Okay. What color is this Oreo? Black. I love Oreos dunked in milk. Yummer yum. What are these? Elephants. They are gray. Sadness is blue. Fear is purple. And our My Little Pony, pink. Excellent job. All right, let's take a look at our shapes. What is this? Circle, square, I can't hear you. Octagon. What did we say this is? A rhombus or a diamond? Heart, star, triangle, oval, and rectangle. All right, let's sing our shape song. Here we go.
Shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape. Name, game, that is what we like to do. Circle, circle, square, square,
Square,
triangle,
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 rectangle,
rectangle,
rectangle, oval, oval, diamond, diamond, heart,
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 star,
star,
star.
star.
Shapes have names, they're made of
Angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time.
Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape. Name, game, that is what we like to do.
Here we go.
Rhombus,
Rhombus,
rhombus.
rhombus. All right. Let's keep on trucking. And it is our nursery rhyme, Down by the Bay.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. Down by the Bay, from the CD download, Nursery Rhymes by the Learning Station. Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a duck driving a truck? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a goat cruising on a boat? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a mouse building a house? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a frog dancing on a log? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a bee sipping iced tea? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a fox putting on socks? Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay. Question time. What was your favorite rhyme? Was it the duck, the goat, the mouse, the frog, the bee, or the fox? Please let us know in the comments.
All right. I like the bee. Not a surprise. I'm sure Mrs. Hill liked the bee too. All right. Let's take a look at this money. We have a dime. This is called a nickel. The brown coin, penny, and that bigger one, quarter. That's right. Yesterday we built the numbers 1 through 4. Today we're going to start off with 5 and finish with 9. So 5, we need our little curve. We need a little line up. I have to make my little line a little smaller. And then a little line across the top. There's our 5. So we have little line down, little curve, frog jump up, little line across the top. 5. Now we're on to 6. Now 6 we can't really do, but if we were to make it, it would be a big curve, little curve. So if we were in the classroom, we wouldn't make the number 6. But here I'm going to show you kind of what it would look like. Our big curve, and then we keep coming around with our little curve. Move it around a little bit. Almost there. Sounds like it's going to rain. Now, if we were sitting on the carpet, you would have a tracer, and you'd put your finger at the top, and we'd say, big curve round, little curve in, to make the number 6. All right, let's watch this reverse back in, and let's make the number 7. 7, a little line across the top next to Mr. Matt's smiling face, and a big slide down. And there we have our little line across the top and a big slide down. Little line, big slide down. 7, now we need to do 8. Remember 8? 8 is the hardest to make because it starts off first with the letter S. And the letter S is usually hard to make in itself. So we make the letter S. I chose the wrong curves. So we make the letter S, and then we come back up with another little curve. I'm going to flip that around. Little curve, and then a little curve up. So it starts off at the top, little curve, making the S, and then we go back up, little curve, and that is the number 8. Now let's finish with the number 9. Number 9 starts with a little curve. Get it over there. And then a big line down. Grab that big line. And we say, little curve, big line down. That is the number 9. Excellent. Well, friends, I hope you have a terrific Tuesday. I've really enjoyed having circle time with you, and I can't wait to see you for our last Zoom Thursday, where we're going to play the game Heads or Tails. I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.